Right guys, just a quick review of Edwin Mick's latest product called Commission Typhoon. Now, this is the sales page. As you can see, it's a case study type product. 3 steps using untapped targeted traffic banks you 112.23 every day. Now, it is your usual blind copy sales page. However, I have a lot of contact with Mick actually. I know his methods actually work, and he's getting some good results with them. Now, this untapped targeted traffic method is actually, let me just show you, it's actually YouTube. Okay, now this it comes in 2 parts. We've got the YouTube ads method and the YouTube free traffic method. Now, personally, I'm always drawn to paid traffic. I think it's quicker. However, the free traffic method isn't that slow, if that makes sense. I don't say too much about the free method. I don't want to give too much away. However, the paid ads, it goes through, what I like about Edwin's training is the amount of stuff he actually shows of what he's doing in his own campaigns. He shows you the offers and the type of landing pages he's sending traffic to. Everything's very step by step. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Don't take special note about the landing pages. You are a lot of people seem to forget with YouTube, you are dealing with Google, okay, and they are strict. We've got the 2 types of ads. We've got the display ads and the video ads. Now, I have a bonus, well, several bonuses actually. The first one is a professional video you can use. Now, this video, he actually case studies a certain product. You'll be able to use this video for obviously video ads targeting this specific product. I've also included some images to go along with the video just in case you want to create your own landing pages that's targeted at this particular CPA offer, so it will save you time hunting down relevant images. Now, he does cover tracking. Good to see he covers tracking. If you're not tracking properly, you will lose money. Now, the good thing about this is that the way Edwin does these YouTube ads, you don't need to go out and buy expensive CPV Lab or Click Magic. You can make do with using YouTube's in-house tracking. Okay, so you can just use, it shows how to set it all up, where to put your pixels, etc. So all that's covered. He also covers remarketing, etc. to bring people back to your offers. It shows you how to set all this up. Excellent section. I love it. I love Edwin's training. It's very clear, precise and honest because he's actually doing it. Now, the free traffic method, I have a bonus for that as well. Now, as I say, I'm not a massive fan of free traffic. However, out of all the free traffic methods, this doesn't take that long, to be fair. Now, to speed the process up even more for you, I've got a list of 60 odd, I think it's 63,000 plus keywords for you to use. Now, that might seem a lot, but when you see how he's actually using this free method, and you'll see his videos, you'll see how my bonus ties in with it. It'll be a massive time saver for you, and also you'll be able to use it with your other pay-per-click campaigns. I don't want to give too much away, but just trust me, you'll have some sort of like light bulb moment, go, that's, and you'll be able to generate. You'll have more keywords you'll never know what to do with. Right then, that's 2. So that's 2 of the bonuses. Let me just I've got some more. I'll just go over those in a minute. Now we just go over case study as well. We got 108% ROI. He goes over the offer. He shows you his results. His results were amazing actually. He had 35 clicks, 7 people opted in, and he generated $112, which is crazy as returns. And this offer is available on Max Bounty, and the video and image files as bonus are targeted at this offer. Alright, so you can use that, will help you a bit. Now, extra bonuses. A lot of people were asking me about mobile landing pages from an offer I promoted the other week, Mobile Traffic Academy. I know a lot of people love that training. A couple of people asked about mobile landers, so I've generated some landers. I've got a pack of 5 mobile landers you can use. This is what they look like on a mobile phone. The survey type landers. Okay, let's click there. Okay, analyze results, and then your opt-in box pops up, or your call to action. You can have a link there to another page. Got several landers like that. Okay. Now the thing about these type of landers is they're very fast loading, very fast. When you're doing any sort of mobile advertising, you really do need fast loading landers, else you'll lose the visitors. If it takes 4 or 5 seconds for your page to load up, they'll have gone, simple as that. Now these landers, I put one through the speed test, speed score of 99%, which is, well, I could say that's pretty high, and the full load time was 0.6 seconds, so that's, that's pretty speedy. Okay, so yeah, that's your other bonus. So you've got 3 bonuses. You've got the video and image pack to go with Edwin's training. You got the 60,000 keyword pack and training, and you got the 5 mobile landers and any other bonuses that you see on this page. Okay, so enjoy Mick's training, follow what he says and get those results. Now there are 2 upsells. Upsell 1 is case studies, over the shoulder training. You see the landing pages, you see the offer, see any keywords, any targeting he's doing on the YouTube ads, etc. And the second tier is done for you campaigns. So you get the landers, even the email follow-ups, etc. So highly recommend Edwin's training. He's one of the good guys in this business. Really nice guy. I speak to him a lot. I know what he's doing is true, and yeah, he's a guy to follow. Okay, so enjoy your training.